Hey y'all, what's going on? Hey, let me wash my hands right quick. Wash my hands. I am about to make some beef stroganoff. So, what you see in the camera right there, dry my hands, is some beef that I bought when I cut them in thin strips. I think that was part of a tenderloin. So, there go me some beef that I just stripped. Let's season it. I'm gonna put some all-purpose seasoning on in there. Okay. Season on. Gonna put me some what is this? Some garlic powder. About enough. Gonna put me a little onion powder. Yeah, some onion powder. Right. I'm gonna put me some black pepper. Let me go like this with the black pepper. I don't want to overdo. The black pepper in there. All right. And I'm gonna give this a stir. Beef stroganoff is a Russian dish, if y'all don't know. And I fell in love with this dish, believe it or not, in the hospital. Yeah. I was in the hospital for some reason. And for my lunch, they brought me beef stroganoff with the egg noodles. So I said, well, one day I'm gonna make it. So I found a recipe by this food blogger I like to follow on Facebook, and she's on YouTube. Her name is Natasha, called Natasha Kitchen. So this is her recipe. And I'm gonna follow her recipe and see does it turn out like hers. All right, now to that I just want to add just a little sprinkle of flour because this is gonna be seared. So I'm just gonna put like this a handful of flour, mix that in. All right, be right back. Skillet is heating up. I got about 3 tablespoons of olive oil because we're gonna brown those beef slices. Meanwhile, right here I have 1 small chopped onion. I got about 8 ounces of white mushrooms. I have about 2 cloves of garlic right there. I have 2 tablespoons of flour. I have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. 1 cup of beef broth. Back here I have 1/3 cup of sour cream. I have 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and some Worcestershire sauce. All right, let's add the beef to it. All right, let's brown down these little beef strips. Alright, y'all, my beef strips has browned down. Y'all see that? I'm about to take it out the skillet and set it in a separate bowl. Alright. Y'all know I have about 2 tablespoons of butter melting in my skillet because I'm about to saute down the onions and the garlic and the mushrooms. But meanwhile over here, I got my water. It's boiling. So I put me a little salt in my water, a little olive oil, and I'm about to dump. Hold up. Let me get it together. I'm gonna dump my egg noodles in there. There we go. We'll let them boil about 7 minutes till they're al dente. Al dente. Al dente. Add that onion. And let's add those mushrooms. Alright, let's stir this around. So let's get them good and soft right quick. Been 7 minutes for my noodles. I got my column right there in the sink. Now I'm about to pour it in there. I do this with one hand when I do that. Make sure I don't burn myself. Alrighty, y'all. Alright, my onions and mushrooms are softening up. Now let's add them 2 cloves of garlic. And I'll put that garlic in there. Let that go for about a minute. Add those 2 tablespoons of flour. Alright. Stir that in there. That's what's gonna make it creamy with the with the broth and the heavy whipping cream. All right, let's add the 1 cup of beef broth. I'll see if I need more or less later. All right, stir this in. Let's see what Natasha talking about with this recipe. All right, let's add that cup of heavy whipping cream. And towards the end, I'll taste it to see if I need some more seasoning in it. If I do, I'm just going to add some seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. All right. Let this simmer down. And let's add a few dashes. I'll say about a tablespoon. That's going to be a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And let's add that teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And let's go and stir that in. I'm going to add our meat back to this. Alright, let's add our meat to that. I don't think I'm going to need any more seasoning, because when that meat was seasoned already. Let's stir this in. And next we just do our sour cream and add our noodles to it. Okay, so take it off the stove and put your sour cream in there a teaspoon at a time. And put it in there like that and hurry up and stir it like that so it won't curdle. So I'm going to put the sour cream in there. Then return it back to the stove. I'm trying to be cameraman and everything. Alright, it's ready. All we gotta do is add the noodles to it. Let's add those egg noodles. And let's stir them in. Some people just put their noodles separate and they'll put the meat and the sauce over, but I like stirring it all in together. I remember, bought my phone. I remember at the hospital, just stir it all in. And I think when you do the one with hamburger helper, it's all together too. So all them noodles can get that sauce in there. That sauce! See, I tried new things. You can read. You can make anything you want. Just follow directions. Alright, let me incorporate this in. That's it, y'all. It's finished. I just sprinkle a little paprika on top just to brighten it up a little bit. That's it. So this is creamy original beef stroganoff using the Natasha kitchen recipe. And I must say, it tastes good. Alright, let's take this beef stroganoff. Let's taste it. I got my glasses on because my eyes are red tonight. And I feel like being cool. Let's taste what Natasha recipe did right here. This is so good. Let me taste this beef. That beef so tender. Oh, I picked the right cow this time. This tastes better than the one I had in the hospital. All right, y'all. Like I say, y'all see me make it, go make it some. Like I said, this is a Russian dish. I looked it up. It's named after Count Stroganoff. Look it up. All right. Bye, y'all. Be good. Be safe. God bless. Go make you some.